So here's a quick recap of my trading results for last week. My major plays for the week were Google calls, Zoom puts, as well as Netflix puts. My two Google calls looked pretty good after they reported their earnings on Tuesday, and they had a gap up on the next day that caused my options to be up around 200%, over 200% at a point. But unfortunately, they went down along with the market on Friday, and right now I'm only up about $100 here. I still have some time until expiry for these 1400 call options as they expire on the 15th of March. So I'll probably hold a bit for them to go back up because this drop here seems to be a small pullback to me. And I think that way because the the volume when they dropped on Friday was really pretty low. And my next play is was on Zoom. So in my previous video, I actually had a trade thesis that I would be shorting Zoom because it is just way too overhyped during this pandemic, and that the competition was going to go up. And as of Friday, I was up over a little bit over 100% on them. And as you can see here, I I currently hold one position. I had two, but I sold one of them on Friday because I think that they are hitting a support line at around $135. And if they fail to break that $135 support area next week, I'm probably going to take profit. But otherwise, my next target level would be around 125, which would be their next support level. And the past week of constant dropping actually confirmed my short thesis on Zoom. So if this stock suddenly reverses and goes up a lot higher next week, I might look into buying a lot more put options on them again. So, and last but not least, I have two Netflix puts that I bought in the middle of the week. And I bought these puts because I think that Netflix is way overvalued. And previous run up here was an overreaction when the market thought that everyone will be sitting at home watching Netflix. And I think this is an overreaction because after they reported some decent earning numbers, increased growth in subscribers, the stock actually still went down, and they tried to break this uptrend line a number of times, but they failed. So I'm personally gonna buy puts on them, and I think they're a business without a moat as entry isn't too difficult. And then now you have a lot more competition, such as Apple and Apple TV, as well as Disney Plus. And so I'm currently around break even on these puts, but I do think they'll drop quite a lot next week, and hopefully I'll be able to take some profits then. Overall, it has been a pretty good week for my account, and I'm up around 7% after last week, and I'm currently sitting at around $19,700. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.